Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about zero-click searches. Some people asked me, the rise of zero-click searches got them freaked out because they are into SEO and they have clients and they wanted to know my take on it, what I think about it. The rise of zero-click searches doesn't mean SEO is dead, but it does signal a shift in how SEO strategies need to be implemented. What are zero-click searches? Zero-click searches happen when users find answers directly on the search result page without clicking on any website link. This is often facilitated by Google features like featured snippets, knowledge panels. People also ask boxes, local map packs, direct answers like weather, time, conversations. So does that mean SEO is dead? Should you just give up on it, especially if you run your business online? Okay, I published several books about it and also created several videos about it. Why SEO is not dead? SEO adapts to changing trends. See, SEO has always evolved with changes in search engine behavior and algorithms. While zero-click searches reduce traffic to some pages, they also highlight the need to optimize for visibility within these new search engine features. There are some opportunities in featured SERP features. By targeting featured snippets, people also ask and local search results, and you can ensure your content is still highly visible, even if users don't click through. Not all searches are zero-click, Many search queries, especially transactional or detailed informational queries, still drive significant traffic to websites. Even without clicks, appearing in zero-click SERP features helps increase brand visibility, trust, and authority. Zero-click searches are closely tied to voice search optimizing for voice. You have to optimize for voice that can help your business capture audiences using smart devices. How to adopt SEO strategies, especially in 2025? Focus on structured data, my friend. Schema markup helps search engines understand your content better and increases your chances of appearing in featured snippets or knowledge graphs. Optimize for local search. Zero-click searches often pull data from local search optimization. So ensure your Google My Business profile is complete and accurate. Don't have it? Use your knowledge panel, because my Google My Business has been abused by competitors of yours. They come and write crap about your business without using your business. So some people do not believe in having Google My Business profile. Don't have it, use your knowledge panel. Don't have knowledge panel, come to me, I create it for you. Provide concise, high quality answers. Structure your content to provide quick answers that match users' intent, increasing the likelihood of being featured in snippets. Diversify traffic sources. Rely less on organic search alone. Use email marketing, social media, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your website. Track and measure visibility. Instead of only focusing on clicks, measure impressions, rankings, and visibility on search results. So, the bottom line is, SEO is not dead, my friend. It's evolving. Businesses need to shift focus to align with how search engines present information. By adapting to these changes, SEO can remain a powerful tool for driving visibility, engagement, and ultimately business growth. So next time I talk about how to optimize for the rise of zero-click searches. Stay tuned. Until next time, have a good one. Bye everyone.